Guys, how you're doing? It's the one and only Edlin Motsamai, and this is Mount Walker Triple H. This is a business channel and finance channel whereby I teach you how to make money online or offline, okay, which is physical. Please make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll highly appreciate it. Put some comments down below what you need in terms of questioning or even any topics for the future reference, as well as you can send me an email as well, which I paste it down in the description. Okay, now this video is for those guys whenever we're walking at Ushaka Marine World in Durban and then they take photos of us. Whenever we're walking at Small Street in Johannesburg, they take photos of us, and we did not ask for permission. Guys, I do not want to get you all into trouble whereby you'll get arrested for taking photos to try and convince us to take the photo. That's not the way how you do entrepreneurial skills as to how to actually sell photography, okay? But today, I am going to teach you how to do it, okay? Firstly, you need to understand that your niche market is not in areas whereby they cannot afford, okay? Even if it comes to tourists, right? Tourists do not want you to take pictures of them whilst they're walking. So what you need to do is that you need to make sure that you sell them with how you dress and the way you approach them, not to take a picture of them. That's the first thing. Number two is that the fact that when it comes to professionalism, you have to get your digital marketing skills on par. There is social media that can assist you. Put your photography on TikTok, okay? Reason why: TikTok is fast and efficient, and many people in your niche market with the relevant hashtags will see you, okay? So that means that even if you do a photography with models, let me give an example. You hire 3 models and then you do a photo shoot, okay? And then what you do is that you actually show your skills of behind the scenes, as well as your professional skills of how you took the photo. And then what will happen? The real niche market, the clients that need you, will book you, okay? Make sure that you'll also tag the area where you stay. Thirdly is that these are the apps you can also sell, which is digital online, to get money paid in dollars or pounds, okay? First one is Shutterstock, okay? Shutterstock, they do pay you in order for you to sell your photography, okay? You're going to have to place a price range onto Shutterstock. It's SHUTTERSHOCK, Shutterstock, okay? Please go there and sell your products, which is your photography there. Also, there's Click and Snap, whereby what Click and Snap is like an app whereby whenever people view your photography, you get paid just for people viewing. Even if they're on the search engine and you put it on your social media, you get paid, okay, for the views that are on their page. So not only are you going to be getting paid for the views of your photography, but you're going to be getting bookings as well. Number 3 is that you can go and put your information on Upwork, okay? You can actually sell digital portfolios to clients, whereby if you do 3D, you can use like AI equipment like Via.ai, which I'm going to put the link down below for you to start with. Via is very beautiful as an application for AI. So you can actually assist them with that and try and edit their photography from Upwork and give it to them and get paid plus minus. I think I got paid $150 to $250, okay? Because there are people that are looking for freelancers that are professionals in photography there. The last one is the one that everyone knows. It's FOP, okay? Now with FOP, you put your charge, your upfront cost in terms of how much you're going to charge for each photography. And if you can also put your digital card there in order for them to book you for their next things like weddings and stuff. And another thing is, guys, this is what I want to stress to you photographers. You need to get your niche market. Go to the places where your niche market is. So if you are into weddings, go to weddings. Even if you're a gate crasher, go to the weddings, okay? If you are into photography for kids' parties, you need to get your niche market, and they have to be working and they have to afford your services, okay? So please go to your niche market. Niche means it's the people that you are targeting, that is you're gonna just focus on, that will afford to pay for your services. Now, I hope this assisted you all today, guys. Yes, I said that I'm going to be doing Bitcoin this weekend. It's just that, guys, unfortunately, that story I'll have to take maybe a whole 30-20 minutes to respond to you. So therefore, can we just give me time, because today I'm really busy. I'm in construction meetings the whole day, okay? So thank you guys for listening and watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll highly appreciate it. Tell your friends. Please share my YouTube channel, guys. Let us grow to at least 1,000 and get it there, okay?